Everything you love, the $10 event here. Let's see what they got. Got the cherry on top store here. Let's see what they've got here. Aw. Got some candy. Bundle. Oh, those are cute. Thing 2 and thing 1. The Grinch. Oh, I love this one. Oh, he's so soft. So soft.
I got a Rice Krispie. All Rice Krispies was $8.
Just get you a bag and get whatever you want here. Got the punch liner here.
So we're kindly asking you, please do not place your feet or any items on these stools.
That's what I'm talking about right there. And they got a hot tub over here too. And they got a bar over here, right? Verano Pool Bar. Looks nice. $10 for these. These are beautiful. That's actually a good deal. Those are nice. Look at that. I like that. Put over your bathing suit. Pretty nice. Got a beautiful staircase up here. Got a bar. Right across is the piano bar. Husband's taking a break. Oh, it feels nice in here. Got a piano right there. The Amari bar here. Pretty atrium here. Nice view here. And you got the casino below. The Carnival store here. Got some Champion here. Alright, let's see what they got here. Stuff over here. $9.99 for a hat. That's not too bad. They got IV therapy on this ship. That's pretty cool. Right at the front of the ship here, right next to the theater, you got a door and you can go out and see this. They got a whirlpool right there. Huh. Interesting. It's nice out here. Oh, that's where the captain is, right up there. Is that a kid right there? Looks like it is. The sun is about to set. My husband said he saw some jumping fish in the water. I see some seaweed.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, the sun is about to set.
You see bubbles.
Yeah, I see some bubbles. I've seen the jumping fish. Going to the theater here.
Or in the aisles. Additionally, please do not crowd the exits. You may be exposed to stage fog, strobe lights, and lasers. Sit back.
This looks pretty cool. Look what we found. Right when the sun set on the 5th floor. It's available. It's got a nice view. Got a nice sports bar here. Pretty nice. And there she is, the gondolier boat. It's beautiful, isn't it, Kevin?
It is beautiful.
It's nice. This is where you can go to dine in the evenings. Closest that I can get to the gondolier. Right here. It's a beauty. It'd be nice if I could get inside it and be in the river. Got some nice pictures here where the elevators are located. You could actually make your own mask here on the ship, which is pretty cool. But yeah, how this works, you press this and you pick whatever floor you want. So you want deck 10, and then you just get on D, and you'll have to press the number inside there. Then each area has a map here. You can see, and it shows you where you're located. currently. Got nice paintings throughout the ship. Looks like Italy. Here's the arcade. You got a nice view up here. We got a big Mario over here. That's cool. There's a putt-putt over here. And they have the ropes course right over here. Not sure what this is. Looks like some kind of swing. Oh, exercise. Oh, okay. More exercise here. There's some volleyball here. Looks like you play basketball too. So we're at the spa here. Cloud9 Spa Fitness. So they do hydration.
Oh, okay.
We got the fitness here. Let's check it out. Towels. What's this one? I've never seen a machine like that. It's weird. That looks different.
Because it's more artificial and diet supplements, that's kind of gorgeous.
Got some bubbly here. Where we currently are right now. You can get popcorn to watch a movie here. my free Bloody Mary drink. We got promoted to gold, so we each got a free drink. That looked good.
Now, you can tell us whether you take your luggage out with you or if you like it.
Got the water slide over here. So the sun just set on the cruise. Got a nice breeze out here. Oh, there's a star too.